When you connect directly to the internet, all of your traffic is routed via your internet service provider, or ISP. That means that they can see most of what you get up to online. Using a VPN, you can create a direct tunnel between your computer and a server that belongs to the VPN provider. That server then connects to the internet on your behalf. Crucially, all of your data passing through that tunnel is fully encrypted and can only be understood by the VPN server. Even though your data is still routed via your ISP, all they will be able to see is a bunch of scrambled data as it passes them by in the tunnel. And if a hacker tries to intercept any of your traffic, they will see the same useless information. VPNs have a number of other benefits, but perhaps the coolest one is that they can mask your true location. A lot of services and websites are restricted in different countries. When you connect to a VPN, you automatically assume the IP address of the VPN server. So, by connecting to a VPN server in a different country, it appears that you are in that country. VPN providers run VPN servers all over the world, so if content is censored by your government, just connect to a server somewhere it's not censored. And if you want to watch online TV or sports content that's only available in a certain country, just connect to a VPN server in that part of the world. Using a VPN is as simple as signing up for a VPN service and downloading an app. Privacy, security, and internet freedom, all bundled into one simple app. To find out more about VPNs and the content they can unblock, follow the link in the description below.